gatherings in every major city on a weekly basis. There are 12 weekly ijtimas for the brothers in the UK. There are 14 weekly ijtimas for the sisters in the UK. Alhamdulillah, the sisters are more active than us, alhamdulillah. These gatherings are there. They're not there for you just to say, oh, my time. They are there for you to come. If you want to save yourself, come to these gatherings. They have an opportunity there for you to save yourself and acquire the knowledge. And another beautiful way, because when you come on an ijtima, you're here for a couple of hours. But if you travel in the way of Allah, if you travel in Mubaligh-e-Dawat for a weekend, then you will see a change. You will learn so much. And those brothers who think they know it all, and because you know nothing. Traveling in Mubaligh-e-Dawat, you will realize what little we all know. Each and every one of us knows so little, but when we travel in Mubaligh-e-Dawat, we learn so much. My brothers, I believe that those that have not traveled in Mubaligh-e-Dawat, they are the ones that have the losers today. I have not yet met a brother that's traveled on Mubaligh-e-Dawat, and when he comes home, he said, never again. We've had brothers, and the brothers here that can testify to this, we've had brothers at the end of the qafla, brothers are crying, saying, please, we do not want to go home. Please, we want to stay on the Mubaligh-e-Dawat. Please, let's stay here in the masjid in this beautiful environment. My brothers, travel in the Mubaligh-e-Dawat and you see this. My brothers, we talked about peer pressure. We talked about how you have this peer pressure on you, that your friends, they entice you to commit all these sins. My brothers, those people that are associated with Dawat-e-Islami, they also succumb to peer pressure. They also succumb to peer pressure. They succumb to the Madani peer pressure. In this Madani peer pressure, my brothers, in the dunya peer pressure, you're enticed to drink alcohol. But in the Madani peer pressure, you're enticed to drink from the fountain of knowledge. In the dunya, you are told to get intoxicated with drugs. But in the Madani environment, the peer pressure, it gets you intoxicated with the love of the Prophet Allah. In the dunya, your peer pressure, they try and entice you to wear the latest fashions. And in this environment, the peer pressure will be to wear the sunnah of the Prophet Allah. In the dunya, the peer pressure will put something on you to carry a knife in your pocket. But the Madani peer pressure will say, carry a swat in your pocket. But this is the beauty of Dawat-e-Islami. My brothers, Dawat-e-Islami is not here to please any organization. We don't want any seats. We don't want to be in government circles. We don't want to sit on any government circles or any place. The only place we want to sit is at the feet of the Prophet Allah. We don't want to please any government institutions. We don't want to please any MPs or any barristers. The only people we want to please is Allah and His Habib. This is what we need to do, my brothers. And we need to realize that this is a golden opportunity for all the people that are here today. And as the Mubaligh in the previous beyond said, that at the North of Ijtima, there was people that as a result of coming to that Ijtima, a change happened in their hearts. That is just one story, my brothers. If that same Mubaligh was to stand up here and tell you waqia and go on all day, just telling you examples about people who come to these gatherings and they have changed. In the UK, alhamdulillah, Dawat-e-Islami is also active in the jails as well. And just last week, I met some brothers that I met in the jail. Alhamdulillah, I've been blessed with an opportunity to go into the jail as well. And I met some brothers that remembered me from being in the jail. They're outside jail now. And now they're coming to the masjid. They're reading the namaz. They attended the ijtima. And they said, brother, remember we met you in the jail, you came and talked to us? Remember you came and you did a halqa with us and you taught us namaz? Remember you came and sat with me and just listened to my problems? My dear brothers, these opportunities are there for each and every one of us. There is so much to do. There is so much to do. If each and every person in this room today became active in the work of Dawat-e-Islami and worked 7 days a week, 24 hours a day, it would still not be enough. The mission is so great, but we all need to work together. We all need to join this beautiful platform, this beautiful train of Dawat-e-Islami, which Ameer-e-Ahl-e-Sunnat is the engine of the train. And Ameer-e-Ahl-e-Sunnat, he doesn't say, look, you're an alcoholic, you cannot get on my train. He doesn't say, no, you're an adulterer, you cannot get on my train. Ameer-e-Ahl-e-Sunnat says, get on the train. Come and get on the train, everybody get on the train. And this train, my brothers, will take you to Medina. It's my humble request to each and every one of you. So whatever your background is. And also, I'd like to make an appeal. An appeal because I know that at some of these gatherings, I've met people who've been involved in drugs. that have been involved in this sort of environment, in this sort of culture, I'm begging you, my neighbours, make an intention today to give up on drugs. Make an intention today to give up on smoking. Make an intention today to give up associating with those people who you think are your friends. I've told you who your friends are. Please, I humbly request you, if you wish, afterwards I will sit down and I will talk to you. But my humble request to each and every one of you is, give up that life. I've known that people come to these gatherings who are drug dealers. Those people that are here today, if you are unfortunate enough that you are involved in that environment, I appeal to you, for the sake of yourself, for the sake of your soul, for the sake of all the people that you associate with, for the sake of your family, for the sake of everybody in your community, please give it up. Do sincere tawbah in the court of Allah. Don't think that my sins are so great, there is no return. Because many of this think, we're on a one-way street. There's no return. There is always a return. There is always a return, no matter how many sins you have committed. If you sincerely do tawbah in the court of Allah, we are told that a person who sincerely repents, who sincerely tawbah in the court of Allah, it is as if he has never committed any sins. So my people, at the end of today, there will be a dua. In that dua, we should think about all the sins that we have committed. And those brothers that are involved in any of these illnesses in society that I mentioned, if they are involved in any knife crime, if they are involved in any drugs or alcohol, please, for the sake of your own soul, give it up. Give it up, my neighbours, and do sincere tawbah in the court of Allah. I pray to Allah if I said anything wrong, may Allah forgive me. And I pray to Allah that we take something from today. Don't just come here today. If you come here with the intention of seeing a big gathering, if you come here with the intention of meeting some friends that you've not seen for a long time, you'll fulfill your intention. But if you come here with an intention to make a change in yourself, if you come here with an intention to strengthen yourself in such a way that when I go away from here, I will make a change in my home, in my environment, in my street, in my town, then you can take something from here. It's not too late, my brothers. You can change your intention. If you came with the wrong intention, change your intention now. Make an intention that I'm going to take something from here today. I'm going to make an intention that I'm going to improve myself and go back and try my best to improve everybody else. And this is the mission statement of Dawat-e-Islami. That I must try to rectify myself and the people of the whole. Inshallah. And all the people, I can safely speak for probably 99% of the people. 99% of the people that come into Dawat-e-Islami, they come into Dawat-e-Islami not to save the world, they come in to save themselves. They all come into this beautiful mahal to save themselves. But when they're in this beautiful mahal, Ameer-e-Ahl-e-Sunnat puts something in their heart. He puts this bit of pain in your heart. He puts this bit of pain in your heart, that pain in your heart thinks, well, Alhamdulillah, I'm blessed. I'm blessed in this beautiful environment. I'm blessed that, Alhamdulillah, I'm now on the right track. What about all my friends I live? What about all those people that are away from the deen? What about all those people that are committing the sin? And this is the mindset that Ameer-e-Ahl-e-Sunnat is putting to us. And think about it, right? Because you may think it's hard. You may think it's impossible. But now look around you, there are hundreds and thousands of people that are working on this mission. But there was a time. There was a time where one person on his own went out of this mission. Ameer-e-Ahl-e-Sunnat went out of this mission on his own. There were probably times where he was abused. There was probably times where people didn't listen to him. There was probably times where people made fun of him. But if he had given up then where would we be today? And for all the efforts that he has put in, all the good money that he has put in, we have no right to give up. However big the problem is in the society, we are not going to give up. We're going to work until the day we die to try and solve all the problems in society and try and get everybody back into the deen of Allah and follow the sunnah of the Prophet of Allah. Somebody was my humble request once again, is take something from today. Take something that changed you today. And take something that you can take this away to you, attend your local gatherings, and improve the society that you're in.